Hi guys and welcome back to Coding because today we are going to see Google Jamboard alternatives because Jamboard is going to shut down by October 1st. I mean blue only because it's going by December. So let's just create a Jamboard. This will be my last Jamboard because it's so sad, even say so, it's so sad. Okay, so firstly we have text. Normal text. So normal text, title text, display text, subtitle text, and caption. Let's try to display. Firstly, you can say sad. Let's type sad. Yeah, because it's awfully sad. Right? Yeah, and rotate it. I love rotating stuff. Yeah, it's sad because we have Jamboard is going away. So obviously it's sad. So let's type maybe something another display. So let's say ALT stands for alternative, and let's just add a random Apple logo there for some reason. I don't know why, but let's just do it. Okay, there. I'm so happy. I mean I'm sad, but like I'm so happy because there's an Apple logo there. Because the Apple logo looks nice. So alternative. And let's use this sticky note thing. I like sticky note because it's so sticky.
What did he say?
Even though like it doesn't have that annoying peel, you know, when you tear off your post-it, it doesn't have that annoying peel. What peel? I didn't mean peel. It's like I don't know. Yeah. So let's just type Canva because that's gonna be our first alternative. Save. That's so cool. Canva. Put it here, make it a bit bigger, and there you go, we have Canva. So let's go to Canva over here, and let's see, we can create a design. So let's create something called a whiteboard, aka a jam. So whiteboard, let's set that up. There you go, whiteboard. So you have a ton of cool features, and I love the apps by the way, because that's so cool. Let's just upload an image here because this is gonna be a cool app. I don't know, I can screenshot that. Yeah. So let's upload our Copilot screenshot. So here you can change your perspective of it. That's weird. Yeah, it is weird, but it's cool. So our zoom should be here. Yeah, I think that looks like one of those fancy Apple advertisements. Add to design. So let's do that. And there you go. So Canva is good because you have all the useful Canva tools that are integrated into this app, as well as our text and upload whatever you want to upload. No, this is not Skibidi, that's not Ohio. Or draw. Yeah, because like Jamboard you can draw. The only thing it doesn't have is the sticky note, but I think that can be changed because we have shapes anyways. Oh, there. Yeah, they do have sticky notes, that's great. So let's say this is so sticky.
What did he say?
Yeah, it's really sticky. So except it's not sticky, but it's just sticking to the screen because it is sticking to the screen. So let's I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm typing the wrong thing. Stick. E. This is so sticky. Let's do our options, Shift and K. Apple. Okay, there you go. And I don't know what's wrong with these apps nowadays, putting the user's name down here. So yeah, let's just leave that this is so sticky here, and let's go back to Jamboard for our next tool, which is going to be whiteboard. Yeah, it's called whiteboard, but instead of my whiteboard, it's Microsoft whiteboard. It's not hard whiteboard, and it's not mega hard whiteboard. It's just Microsoft whiteboard. Because mega hard is the opposite of Microsoft, I think. So let's just add this there, make it a bit bigger, maybe yeah, a bit bigger. So let's go to Microsoft Whiteboard, and here's new whiteboard. Whiteboard tips. Okay. No, I don't want any templates, please. So yeah, sticky notes as usual. Cool. I love sticky notes because sticky notes are so sticky, even though they're not sticky in real life. So say Microsoft, say hi. Say hi to Microsoft. Yeah, I don't know why I put Apple logos there, but if you guys can tell me if there's like a Microsoft logo built into keyboards, I'd be happy. So let's rotate this. You can rotate it, and at least it doesn't put like my name there. But another cool thing is this, the pen tool. That's not cool, but it's just nice to have. And we also have our text as usual. So let's say hi everyone. And if you didn't know, Jamboard was actually a competitor to Microsoft Whiteboard release, because Microsoft Whiteboard also has this like little TV screen like a whiteboard, like the actual Jamboard. So that's cool. But yeah, so let's just give Microsoft Whiteboard a big check, maybe tons of check, and fire, because it's so fire. So maybe the next thing you could try is going back to Jamboard and see what's next, because next thing is FigJam by Figma. So let's maybe make this one pink. No, that looks like really orange. Nice. Okay, FigJam is gonna be the biggest because I do use FigJam as well. And yeah, you can rotate it, but maybe it's too big. Probably too big. I rotate a bit. I hate it when things are like slanted, but on digital stuff it actually looks good. So if we open Figma over here, this is how it looks like. No thanks please. Let's create a new FigJam board. There you go. And sometimes I might sniff, but that's just because I'm a bit sick and a bit of sore throat, so yeah. Sorry. Oh yeah, we have this too. FigJam is a bit fire. Oh my gosh, that is so fire. That is so fire. Look at all this fire. And you can add my stamp. This is Ethan approved coding, please. There you go. And other things like stickers. What's this? I don't understand what that is. But I love the stamp feature because it's just so satisfying. See? Oh, and this is the famous famous to you guys who are watching, if you even like know me. But the sad thing about FigJam is that it can't use Apple logo, you see. See, it's just blank. It won't show up my Apple logo. That's annoying, but you also have sticky notes. Sticky, and yeah, again, just to put my username. I don't know why. It's official. But yeah, so those are all the Jamboard alternatives. If you were to ask me, I think Jamboard by far is still the best because of its integration to Google and also its useful tools. And I like the fact that it still has Apple. You can add an image if you want, but I don't really want to. Laser pointer, that's good. And I just like Jamboard because it's like really simple. But unlike like Microsoft, this is simple too, but I just don't like the interface. Canva's great because it has all the tools. But yeah, conclusion, I think Canva would be the best alternative for Jamboard. Figma the least because it has a free plan. I hate those with free and paid plan because I just want a free plan. And Microsoft is the second. Yeah, second. Because it's fire as well. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!